Hey, I heard you had a little bit of trouble sleeping, so I thought I would help you with a little bit of ASMR of me fixing my dryer.
You are watching
Soup Sack.
Well, now we have access to the back panel, so we're just gonna try to open it up to see what's inside. As I open the back of this dryer, I want you to think of a serene forest of birds chirping and a twinkling river as you listen to the sweet, shambolic and sleep-inducing sounds of my hammer hitting this. I don't know how this has happened, but this sort of drainage pipe has been smashed. Has been smashed like the calm waves on the shore. If I had to guess at how this happened, I'd say maybe the dryer was shaking too hard. Somebody obviously put too much of a heavy load into it, and I think I'm gonna have to fix it by just hitting around to see if I can gain access to it. Seem to have this to open. We can really see what the problem is. Yeah, you see the conduit has been interrupted. See, they're a little loose. They're a little loose here, right? But I think if I can just tighten the connection by pushing them in a little bit. Yeah, I'm really pushing them in. I don't know how, but this is getting worse. Also, I heard something. I noticed a rattling sound. I think it's this door. This door's not working too well. And if you look at the glass, it's kind of fogged over. And much like how when moss or algae grows on top of a pond, every plant beneath it dies because it blocks out the sun. I don't know how I'm supposed to dry my clothes when this thing is fogged up. And so I have a plan. I think for this one, I'm gonna buff it out. Oh, that's stronger than I thought. As the ancients used to say, if at first you don't succeed, do a montage of you doing it 100 more times. Imagine the majestic eagle flying through the sky, its wings making it the emperor of the clouds. Here's the problem. There's a bunch of lint in here. It seems that there's a pipe issue. If I had to guess, that would be attached to the other one. Probably opening this up would help. That's stuck. There's nothing I can do about that. Hey, can I get a Macca's Mega Meal?
Yeah, and what was your drink that one?
I'll just get a red Fanta, please.
Yeah, what was better?
I took a break for lunch. So I'm just gonna do that. Just like how the snake has to shed its skin for it to grow. For me to fix this dryer, I think I'm going to have to remove these restrictive walls so that I can get at the drum. Shed away this first wall.
kick.
Let's get this. See now, this is the real issue right here. This is the real issue. Lint. Look at this massive buildup of lint here. Got him. I like how there's a little bunch of dudes with faces right here. They look pretty happy or shocked. Almost like they know they're about to get hit with a hammer. You ever see that? You ever see that one scene from a... where Omni-Man is like... What's 15 more years? I can always make another! Can I be honest with you guys? I think somewhere along the way I actually made it worse than when I started. I'm not sure when, but I think at this point it can't really be fixed. I mean, there's just too much lint. Oh, what am I gonna do with this stuff? Hey! Can I have that? Well? Yeah. Good.
Brother, wait! I know you have decimated my home, but I only ask you leave me this humble drum. Do not give me to that.
Kobe.